In this video, I'm gonna show you all gestures and motions available on a Realme GT 7T. So first of all, we need to open settings. Now in the settings, we're gonna scroll down until we find accessibility and convenience. Over here, we can find, for example, the gestures and motions setting, where we can find screen of gestures. When enabled, we can enable these gestures that are listed over here. So for example, we can double tap to turn on or off the screen. We can draw an O on the screen in order to open the camera, draw a V in order to toggle the flashlight, and we do this on the screen. If you turn it off, you also have the presentation, how it looks like, so you get the idea. We also have music control as well. Besides that, we have three customizable options. We can draw this up arrow, M and W, and we can choose what should happen when we draw this symbol. So quite convenient and quite customizable. Besides that, over here we also have swipe down with 3 fingers to take a screenshot. So with 3 fingers, if you swipe down, you can capture the screenshot quite easily. You can also touch and hold with 3 fingers in order to take a partial screenshot or scrolling screenshot as well. When the screen is off, you can press volume up or volume, actually we have to hold volume down, my bad. So we have to press and hold volume down when the screen is off, so that we can toggle the flashlight. Over here we also have motions like raise to wake, lift to ear to answer calls, so you don't even have to unlock the, well, not unlock, you don't have to manually answer the call, you can just simply put it into your ear. We also have the auto switch to receiver when using Bluetooth headphones or the speaker during a call. Lifting the phone to your ear will switch to the audio to the receiver, so you can quickly switch the output device to your phone if you decide to actually use your phone during a call. And we also have flip to mute incoming calls. So you can flip the phone if you have an incoming call in order to mute the ringtone. Besides that, over here we can also find some additional options like the quick launch. So while unlocking the phone with the fingerprint sensor, you can still hold the sensor until an icon appears, and you have quicker access to certain functions or apps. And I think that's essentially everything. We also have floating window shortcut that is presented over here. Besides that, we have the split view, so with 3 fingers you can swipe up for the split view. We also have screen recognition, but this is mostly just a feature and not a gesture or anything like that. And yeah, I think that's all. So, oh, right, there is also smart sensing where we have air gestures as well, so this is also quite important. So while showing the hand to the front camera, while keeping a distance, we can answer or mute incoming calls, or we can scroll through social media. So unfortunately the air scroll is not accessible, is not available in every app, only selected ones, more precisely Facebook, Instagram, TikTok and YouTube. Alright, so thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.